Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Anastasia and I've been on the carnivore diet for about 11 days now. So I previously shared a video on my experience on the carnivore diet for 7 days. So if you want to check that out, you can go ahead and do that after you watch this video. But in today's video, I'm going to be doing like a grocery haul based on the diet I'm on, which is the carnivore diet. So I bought some stuff and I think this stuff are going to last me about 3 weeks. So let's go ahead and see what I bought. So first off, I have these lamb chops. I got this lamb chop and they are about $23.77, so like $24. Yep, they're quite pricey, but I love them and I wanted to eat lamb chops this week. So yeah, I decided to get some. Moving on, I also got some sausages. So I got two different kinds. So with the sausages, I had a really hard time looking for sausage without sugar. Like every sausage had like sugar. I was almost giving up before I found this one somewhere because I wasted a lot of time in that section because I kept reading the ingredient list and everything had sugar. When I found these ones, I was so happy. So I think I'm gonna remember them. So I got my sausage. I love to eat this for breakfast. Yeah, I'll keep searching. Maybe I'll find a good spot where I can always get like sugar-free sausages. That being said, I had the same issue with this one. I ended up with this. Yeah, with this I was a bit skeptical. I'm not sure because it doesn't really give me like all the ingredients, but yeah, it says 0 sugars and 0 added sugar. So I think this bacon will be fine. So yeah, the next thing I got was this bacon. Like I said, I really struggled to get the one without sugar. Everything just has sugar. I don't know what sugar has done to people, but yeah. So this is the thick curd. I haven't tried the thick curd before, but I'm gonna go ahead and try it because I had no option. This is the only one that I found without sugar at the store that I went to. So for this, I can't really remember the price because right now it's not on it, but I think they were about, is it $5.99 or $6.99, something like that for the bacon as well as the sausages. So it was around $5.99 or $6.99. So yeah. Then up next, I got the steak. So yeah, this is like the tender chuck and like this is steak. I got like variety of steak. So they are all steak. This one is $8.72 and this is $8.04. And here, also I got some flanking ribs. I do love these ribs, so I got two. So yeah, I got two of them and they're, oh, this is $9.89 and this is $8.69. Moving on, I got some beef ribs. Yeah. So this one is, let me see, $19.18. Wow. Okay. So one thing about these meats is you might think they're very expensive, but it's gonna last me like 3 weeks because they're very filling. Like I even still have some stuff, some leftover from my last grocery shopping. So yeah, it's gonna take a while. Next, I got this beef liver. So yeah, I always have like liver in my diet because I'm short of iron, so I'm iron deficient. So I take this like twice a month. I don't really like liver, but I just incorporate it into my diet just to have a balance and to boost my iron and anemia and whatever. This is $2.89. I guess this is cheap. Okay, then moving on. I got the pork ribs and this costs about $16.83. So yeah. Next, I got chicken thigh. So I'm really tired of eating chicken. That's why I just bought one of these. But I prefer the thighs because they are more tastier. So at least it won't be that boring. And this one costs about $8.55. Moving on, I got some salted butter. I use this to cook everything. Everything that needs oil, I use my butter and I like the salted one. So yeah, I got the salted butter. I forgot how much this was. Was it $8.99 or $7.99? I'm not really sure, but yeah. Next, I got my yogurt. I have this like every day in a little bowl. I take this as my dessert. So since I got on the carnivore diet, I've been on this whole milk and I'm loving it. Because before I used to take like zero fat yogurt and the taste was not just good at all. When I tried the whole milk yogurt, it's amazing and that's why I can just snack on it. Yeah, I really love this addition to my diet. Next, I got this cottage cheese. So yeah, I got this brand, the Good Culture cottage cheese. I love this brand because the ingredients seem to be very clean. It says skim milk, whole milk, cream, sea salt, live and active cultures, and that's it. Some of the other brands that were there, I saw like corn syrup and some other stuff added to it. So I'm really glad this is clean, and yeah, that's why I went with it. I use this to make like my cottage cheese flatbread, pancake, whatever that I want to do, even like pizza, carnivore pizza and stuff like that. I use cottage cheese. And that being said, it brings me to my next thing. Yeah, this one I'm just gonna turn it into like powder, and together with the cottage cheese, I use it to do like my flatbread or pancakes or pizza crust, like the Carnivore pizza crust and stuff like that. I'm really enjoying it. So yeah, I really wanted the one that is already powdered, but I couldn't find it. But I think I'm gonna get that from Amazon because I saw a couple on there. But yeah, for now, I'm just gonna make do with this one. And for these, this was about I think $4 and something. I'm not very sure. And this was like $5 something. So this is $2.99. So this is everything that I got, and together everything was about $140 something dollars or 150. I'm not sure if it was up to 150, but like yeah, so this is gonna take me about 3 weeks and even more, because from my last grocery I still have a couple of stuff. So yeah, I think this is gonna really last. So I really think this is gonna last me a while. And yeah, so I just wanted to come here and show you guys what I got. And as the weeks go by, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys the recipes that I come up with using all of these ingredients. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you found value in this video. If you want to see more related content like this, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Hey guys, so this is Stacy from the future. So while I was editing this video, I just wanted to go ahead and add some of the meals that I made just to give you guys like an inspiration. So yeah, I decided to add some of those at the end of this video. So if you're interested, you want to make sure that you keep watching the video until the end for some meal inspos like this.